Hey everyone, I am back to pull some random Hot Wheels out of my collection. I usually do 24 random Hot Wheels and give a brief overview of the condition of my collection. Try to show the base to see where they're made, and if I can, tell you what kind of car it is, or truck, or something along those lines. More than anything else, I like doing these type of videos just to see what I have. I forget what all I have in my collection, and if you've seen any of my previous videos, you know that some of these I bought brand new years ago. Well, my parents would have bought them for me. I was a little kid. And then some of these I have bought at yard sales, flea markets, antique stores. All of these are loose. Very rarely do I buy any of these that are carded, and if they are carded, I just take them out of the blister pack anyways, just so I can see them, hold them, look at them. Really don't have the storage to keep them in the packs that they come in. So without any more delay, I'm going to start this off with a 57 T-Bird. You can see this is made in Hong Kong with the black wall wheels. This one does not have the porthole. Blue interior, blue windshield and rear glass. This is a maroon, I would say. This is in pretty good shape, a little dirty. It could be cleaned up. But this is very nice. All the wheels are in good shape. Very nice. Very nice. If I didn't have to work tomorrow, I'd play with these. I don't play with Hot Wheels by myself. I do play with these Hot Wheels with my kids. Here we have a Hot Wheels Silver Bullet made in Hong Kong. I don't know what that would be for, if anything in particular. This is an Ultra Hot with the pretty special rear bumper. I would pretend that I was leveling off fresh asphalt or leveling off dirt growing up. You can see I have played with this one a lot. Pretty cool. Ultra Hots. Okay, moving right along. Made in Hong Kong. This is in pretty good shape here, I would say. Look like it's been taken care of. This is one of the, I forget what you call them, but you can rake them. I'm sure most of you know what that's called. But this is functioning, nothing missing, nothing damaged. No scuff mark there. Black walls, Hong Kong, pretty good shape. Here's one that is in not so good of shape. You can see this is to the bare metal. This is made in Hong Kong as well. The bottom has seen better days. Seeing if this will work here. I don't want to damage it too much or wiggle it too much, but you can see maybe something there hindering this from flipping over. Very much played with from my childhood. Wheels are in good shape. This was one of my favorites growing up. Hong Kong. If you remember, this flips over, snaps into place. The tempo has seen better days. Now the spooler doesn't look like it's really bent. All the wheels still roll nicely. So as you know, this right here, this will disengage, snap in place, still works. One of my favorites growing up. Z28, made in Hong Kong. Camaro Z28 with the hot ones. Very played with. This probably isn't worth 50 cents. But it has a huge sentimental value, as do all of my Hot Wheels. Going down memory lane with this one for sure. What's this, Stage Fright? Yeah, this is Stage Fright. I picked this up at a antique store, I believe. If you've seen my previous videos, I have another one of these. I believe it was made in Hong Kong. It's older and it is in very bad shape. This one is made in Malaysia. Steering wheel is intact. See the floorboard there. Pretty cool. See the engine in there. This one has not been played with near as much as the one I grew up with. I always thought this was really nice. Now it's obviously missing a top, but you can see a ball, a pair of boots, plates, silverware, Not sure what this would have been. Motorcycle is intact. Made in Malaysia. Interesting story on this. When I was a little kid, my neighbor had this one. This belonged to my neighbor, and seems like I traded for another Hot Wheel. I have no clue what that other Hot Wheel was. This came off of a neighborhood trade. Probably within 10 years, first 10 years of my life, traded that. All right, moving right along. 20th anniversary Hot Wheels funny car. This is not attached. Don't know if I could fix that or not. It doesn't look like it. Like it's broke. Wheels are in bad shape. Well, the rear wheels are bent. Played with this one quite a bit. 20th anniversary funny car. Very nice. All right, moving right along. Hong Kong. I have not been easy on this one for sure. Doesn't look like this one wants to stay in place. There we go. Fast. Played with this one a whole lot. Tempos have seen better days. Surprised that's still shut. Surprised I still have the plastic hood. Another one of my favorites. This is missing the camper, a tan camper, if I remember correctly, which held that in place. Truck. Oh, staying in place there for now. Made in Hong Kong. One of my favorites growing up. Oh boy, I love that truck so much. Very nice. Love it. All right. Can't really see where this is made. Don't know what this was called. This did come in the blister pack when I bought it. This is something I normally wouldn't buy, but it was available to me, so I purchased it. Probably gave $1 for it. Mint condition, but it is ugly. This is something I would have never bought or played with as a kid. I don't know, it just didn't fit my imagination. I wanted to have car shows and drag races and swap meets. Don't know where that would have fit in, but somehow it made it to my collection. Now I had several of these. This has a custom paint job by yours truly. Made in Hong Kong. The Mercedes 380 SEL. You can kind of see the puppy dog there looking out the window. This would have been gray. I even have brown tail lights. That's an interesting choice. Painted the rims. Played with a whole lot. Now this one has another custom paint job. Hong Kong Mini Track. Wish I would have taken better care of this one. It was always one of my favorites. Looks like I may be able to take this paint off. I don't know. Pretty cool. I wouldn't mind having this in real life. I would definitely drive that around. I'd say it's an old Toyota. This would have been brown and tan. Red interior. This one made it out all right. Give me a dew, Mountain Dew. Valvoline STP Champion Goodyear 76 Racing Stalker, made in Malaysia. Don't remember where I got this one. Very nice. Needs to be on a wall. Needs to be displayed. But it's in this box. Moving right along. All right, here we go. So we have a Blazer 4-wheel drive made in Malaysia. Hear that wheel rubbing? Can't remember if the door's open or not. Do they open? Yes. All right. Doors open on the Blazer. Doors open. Pretty cool casting. Now this one is from my childhood, and I managed to take pretty good care of it. VW Beetle. This would have been one of my car show cars. It survived my childhood. Survived my childhood. Moving right along. We're just seeing this one in yellow. Here it is in green. Hong Kong. Still have the hood. Did get played with quite a bit. Had a wreck. but it still will snap in place. Pretty cool. All right, here we have made in Hong Kong. Got a boo-boo. Let's fix that boo-boo. Now, wait a minute. That's a metal hood. Just now realizing this. The others had plastic hoods. This is a metal hood. In great shape. Great shape. Let's show two here. Here we have the Porsche 928 Turbo, one with the black walls, the other with the hot ones. Both made in Hong Kong. The one on the right is the one I've had forever. And the one here, I believe I bought it at an antique store. Does that not just look super cool to you? That looks so cool. Pretty cool casting. Like that a lot. Let's see here. Ultra Hot Redliner, Hong Kong. Don't know what year this was made. Redliner 69, Hong Kong, but that's what they call the Ultra Hots, is that right? In great shape. I don't think it's as old as I wish it was. Don't know what year that was made, but pretty cool. Oh, custom paint job here with the Upfront 924 Malaysia. This would have been orange with tinted windows, I believe. But I went ahead and decided it needed to be black. As a child, there's the orange. So I painted it black. Played with that one a lot. Another one of my favorites, the 44 two-door Malaysia base. Rubber tires. Split window. I believe they call this the Real Riders. But it's in great shape. Looks good. And so I'm going to finish the video with this one. Malaysia base. The Camaro. Needs to be cleaned up there. Tires are always bent, so I would have to pretend that I was parking this with the wheels turned. See that right there? Making a right turn. Making a right turn. So when I pulled into the parking lot, I had to make a right turn. Visible from this side. Red interior. Clear windows. There you have it. So this has been 24, technically 25, but 24 random Hot Wheels out of my collection, pulling them out of random boxes. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Leave some comments what you would like to see. Share these videos. And if you're not as old as I am and these are before your time, never fear. I have some all through the 80s, all through the 90s, and then 20 years in 2000 to, well, actually to 2021. I don't think I've bought any Hot Wheels this year yet. But please keep checking the channel. If you hit that bell, you can be notified when I upload a new video. It will always be Hot Wheels. There's no telling what you'll see on here. So if this is something you're interested in, like I said, just give me a thumbs up and let me know that you're watching. Thanks, and everybody have a great night.